Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z10 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtone in iQOO Z10 5G. Suppose if you would like to set or change ringtone in your phone, just follow this video. Okay, just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings. Okay, then scroll down. You will find sounds and vibration. Just click on it, and here you will have a lot of options. Scroll down and you have to find out to phone ringtone. As of now, phone ringtone is set to Jovi lifestyle ringtone. Okay, if you would like to change ringtone or if you would like to set freshly, click on phone ringtone, and here you have options to select other ringtone. Okay, if you would like to use no ringtone, just pick up one so that ringtone will not be set to your phone. Okay, suppose if you would like to set any other ringtone, just select anyone. Okay, that will be set as a ringtone. Okay, so finally I set it to this ocarina, and this will be the current ringtone. Okay, just after setting, go back and it will be active now. Okay, you can also set to custom ringtone. Just go to phone ringtone and you can choose custom ringtone here. If you have any music file, that will be set as ringtone. Okay, see here I have this music file, and just if you select it, so in this way you can easily set or change ringtone. Okay, so what you have selected, that will be acting as a ringtone now. See here, so in this way you can easily set a ringtone to your phone iQOO Z10 5G smartphone. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.